In 2026, the hottest buzzword in the global B2B procurement circle is de-risking, which means reducing risk. Many people ask me if they should move their production lines and factories to Vietnam or India to avoid geopolitical tariffs. If you're thinking that way too, you might be leading your project into a decade-long technical debt trap. According to the World Bank's latest LPI Logistics Performance Index, China remains the undisputed leader in Asia across core dimensions like infrastructure quality and customs efficiency. Because true supply chain competitiveness isn't just about tax rates, it's about the total cost of the entire supporting ecosystem. Today, let Valar take you through this so-called China+1 urban illusion to see the real map of China's industrial belts. I'm going to break down 3 core issues. First, why choosing the wrong city means losing 30% of your gross profit. Second, what is the 100-kilometer radius that defines the global industrial lifeline? Third, why every item you buy outside of Made in China carries a structural technical debt. Let's talk about a popular inside joke in the industry. In procurement circles, they say that in Vietnam, when a boss promises 24-hour sample delivery, it usually means he's hopping on his bike to the Chinese border 300 kilometers away to wait for your parts. In China's mature industrial belts, like precision machinery in the Yangtze Delta or electronics in the Pearl River Delta, that's a physical-level generational gap. Data from the UN Conference on Trade and Development shows China has the world's most complete set of 41 industrial categories. What does this mean? It means within a 100-kilometer radius, your driver chips, precision molds, and high-spec capacitors are all lined up waiting for you to choose. This ecosystem isn't just about low unit prices, it's about having total control over your project's timeline. In 2026, with copper over 10,000 per ton and AI sweeping wafer capacity, a non-cluster factory takes 3 weeks to get a 0.5 capacitor, while a cluster factory takes 30 minutes. That's a 1,260-fold difference in supply chain efficiency. At the end of this video, I'll share Balar's guide to selecting suppliers. As procurement architects, our method is to never just trust a factory owner's bold promises about delivery times. We all know a factory owner's promise is the least liquid stablecoin in procurement. What you need to look at are the factory's physical neighbors. Open up Google Maps and see exactly where the factory's located. In China, precision electronics are in Shenzhen, hardware in Yongkang, medical devices in Changzhou, and robot parts in Suzhou. Top factories always have at least 3 core Tier 2 suppliers within 500 meters. So if a self-proclaimed major electronics supplier is 200 kilometers away from the industrial hub, stop the project immediately. They aren't manufacturing for you, they're just performing very expensive, fragmented parts transportation. Every extra cent they spend on shipping costs will eventually be taken out of your product quality. Procurement logic is the only thing that can truly eliminate your anxiety. Balar has compiled a map of China's 15 core hard-tech manufacturing chains for 2026. Leave a comment to get it. Bye-bye.